Implementing ROC Curves for KNN machine learning algorithm using Python and Scikit Learn. I am currently trying to implement an ROC curve for my KNN classification algorithm. I am aware that an ROC curve is a plot of true positive rate versus false positive rate. I am just struggling with finding those values from my dataset. I import autoimmune.csv into my Python script and run the KNN algorithm on it to output an accuracy value. Scikit-learn.org documentation shows that to generate the TPR and FPR, I need to pass in values of y_test and y_scores as shown below. I am just struggling with what I should be using as these values. Thanks for your help in advance and apologies if there is something I have missed, as it is my first post here.
If you look at the documentation for ROC_curve, you will see the following regarding the y_score parameter. Y_score array shape equals n_samples target scores can either be probability estimates of the positive class, confidence values, or non-threshold measure of decisions, as returned by decision_function on some classifiers. You can get probability estimates using the predict_proba method of the neighbors classifier in Scikit-learn. This returns a NumPy array with 2 columns for a binary classification, one each for the negative and positive class. For the ROC_curve function, you want to use probability estimates of the positive class, so you can replace your with. Notice how you need to take all the rows of the second column with column 1 to only select the probability estimates of the positive class. Here's a minimal reproducible example using the Wisconsin breast cancer dataset, since I don't have your autoimmune.csv. This produces the following ROC curve.